How to import an existing domain into Wix Studio. So in order to do that, what you can do is you can head over right here to your settings. And then after you have done that, you can see in here the settings of your Wix Studio. So basically, it's just the same as the Wix editor with some slight changes. Scroll down and then from in there, click on the domains option. Now, once you have done that, you should be able to see in here the domains that you have right now for this site that we have. So our site is my site 7. So let's change up this domain. You can put in here or connect a domain right here. Just input the domain name and click on this let's go. Now, once it's done, it should be able to show you the verification for this one. If you own this primary domain, click on this I own this domain right here. Then just upgrade your site into your premium plan to connect your domain from there. So that's how you import an existing domain into Wix Studio. Hope you helped.